Good morning, student. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at your home. I am your GK teacher. Today I am going to teach you the page number 10 of your GK book. In the page number 10, it is about direction. We need direction to find our way. Student, if we want to go to somewhere, we want to know in which direction we want to go. So direction play a very important role. How many directions are there, student? Yes, there are four main directions. And what are they? North, south, east and west. How will you spell north? N-O-R-T-H, north. N-O-R-T-H, north. S-O-U-T-H, south. E-A-S-T, east. And W-E-S-T, west. These are the four main directions. In the map given below, you can see that four direction. In the top of our map, this is the map of India. In the top it is north, and in the bottom it is south, and in the right hand side it is east, and in the left it is west. These are the four main direction. Student, can you tell me where do sun rise? From which direction the sun rises? Yes, the sun rises in the east. And where do the sun set? In which direction the sun set? It set in the west. The sun set in the west. So there are four main directions: north, south, east and west. Sun rises in the east and sun set in the west. Now by seeing the map, we have to fill these blanks. We have dash in the north. Student, what is in the north? It is written na, it is Himalaya. So we have to fill there Himalaya. We have dash in the north. In the north we have Himalaya. We have dash in the east. In the east what is there? It is West Bengal. What is in the east? It is in the West Bengal. We have dash in the south. What is in the south? It is written in the south it is Indian Ocean. We have dash in the west. So where is west? You can see in the map west. What is in the west? Arabian Sea. A help box is given. We have to write from there. Next, page number 11. It is about the face of the earth. Our earth is made up of various landforms. Student, our earth is made up of various landforms. There are various forms of land. Somewhere you can see flat land. Somewhere it is height form of land. In some area there is only sand. In some landform there is water. So there are different form of land. We have to identify the landform and write according to that. Now first I am going to explain the meaning of the landform. First it is MOUNTAIN, mountain. First what is written, student? MOUNTAIN, mountain. Can you tell me what do you mean by mountain? In Hindi mountain means पहाड़. Mountain को हिंदी में बोलते हैं पहाड़. Mountain is the land that rises at least 300 meter or more above its surrounding area. Mountain, when the land is at a height, then we say that it is a mountain. हिंदी में mountain को पहाड़ बोलते हैं. Next is waterfall. Waterfall is the river or water that falls from a great height. All of you have seen when water is falling from a great height, then it is known as waterfall. हिंदी में waterfall को झरना बोलते हैं. Third one is Iceland. It is a piece of land surrounded by water. Means एक लैंड का हिस्सा है जिसके आसपास पूरा पानी है. In Hindi, Iceland is called टापू. Next is sea. Sea, S-E-A-C. Sea are the smaller than ocean. It is where land and ocean meets. ये sea is smaller than ocean. Sea are छोटे होते हैं ocean से. And it is where land and ocean meet. Sea means in Hindi we call it samudra. Next is desert. A large area of land usually covered with sand. जहाँ पर sand ही sand होता है, in Hindi we call desert as रेगिस्तान. How do you spell desert? D-E-S-E-R-T, desert. Next is lake. L-A-K-E, lake. In Hindi we call it jheel. A large area of water that is surrounded by land. A large area of water which is surrounded by land means in the center there is water and it is surrounded by land, then we call it lake. Next is river. A large natural flow of water that goes across the land. It is a large natural flow of water means water is going continuously flowing across the land, then it is called river. In Hindi we call it nadi. Next is ocean. Ocean, how do we spell ocean? O-C-E-A-N, ocean. Ocean is a large area of water. Ocean are very big and they join smaller sea together. Ocean are very large area of water. बहुत बड़ा हिस्सा होता है पानी का and we called it in Hindi महासागर. क्या बोलते हैं in Hindi? We called it महासागर. Now let us do the matching. The first picture, it is a high mountain we can see and a water is there. So it is an Iceland because Iceland is a piece of land surrounded by water. We can see in the first picture it is a piece of land which is surrounded by water. So it is Iceland. So we will write A before Iceland. Second picture, you can see that it is smaller than ocean. It is a water we can see all of there, it is a water, so it is sea. So we will write it before 4, C. In the B, before C we will write B. Next picture is river. You can see it is river. River means the water which is flowing in the land, so C we will write before river. Next D is the picture of mountain. You can see the land, rising land, so it is mountain, so we will write before mountain. Next the picture E, it is ocean. It is a large area of water, so we will write it before 8. It is written ocean. Now F, it is a waterfall. You can see that the water is falling from a great height, and I have told you the water which is falling from a great height is waterfall, so we will write it before waterfall. F. G, you can see that the land is covered with sand, so it is a desert, so we will write G before desert. Now H, it is a lake. I have told you a large area of water that is surrounded by land. We can see that a large area of water is surrounded by land, so it is lake, so we will write it before lake, H. So you can see that in the first box we have to write D. Before waterfall you have to write F. Before Iceland you have to write A. Before sea you have to write B. Before desert you have to write G. Before lake you have to write H. Before river you have to write C. And before ocean you have to write E. I hope students you all have understood what I have told you today. Have a nice day. That's all for today.